Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to adjust the auto trunk height if you need to do that. So that tutorial is coming up. So as you can see, the auto trunk on the Model Y is pretty tall, it's pretty high, so like when the car's in our garage, this is gonna bang the whole top of the garage. So we don't wanna do that obviously, so the way that you can adjust it is this is fully as high as it can go. And so what you can do is you can actually just manually pull the trunk down. So if we just pull it down a little bit, you can adjust it to whatever height you want, and don't worry about it, that's not gonna break the auto trunk or anything, so you can adjust it manually, or you can actually close it manually if you want. And all you need to do is just hold the the close button, and it makes that noise, and basically that's the new setting. So if we push it again to close it, and then we open the trunk again, there you go. So that's the new height. And then of course, if you want to, fix it to the original height, then you just push it back up, and then you just push and hold the button, wait for the ding, and that's it. So hope that tutorial is helpful. If it was, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.